Today we are at the Monticello Motor Club.
It's a private premier club for people who race.
All the performance teams brought their cars out.
It's just a big team bonding experience. It also gives new drivers seat time. It allows us to race on tracks that are treated properly.
Because of Andrew Jacobson, one of our alums and a board member, we have the place to ourselves today. It's a unique experience for RIT students that they're able to come here and practice their craft.
For us, this is a milestone event because this is usually where we do our first test on a track of the year. We got to spin our motor, test out our new motor controller. It's so exciting when we get to see that happen. And it's just all semester's work, getting to see that come together and then driving it. Nothing makes me happier.
I've never been interested in cars or anything, so I wasn't too sure about it, but coming around the team and just like feeling the environment and everything, I was just like, oh, this is cool stuff. I actually learned how to machine, use all the mills and everything my first week on the team. If someone from outside of engineering wanted to join Baja, I would say just go for it.
To see the car, out here ripping the track is really cool because it's not an opportunity we'd be able to get elsewhere. Being able to do the hands-on engineering and manufacturing and learning experience that goes along with a student-based team like this really allows you to apply concepts you learn in the classroom in a much more hands-on and tactile way. I was able to go to my employer that I'm now going to be working for and be like, hey, I've designed my parts with your product and I've used your product in manufacturing, and that got me in the door to eventually land this job.
Every year I learn something new. But recently I've been doing a lot of work with the electrical team, so I've learned a lot of things that I would not have learned because I'm a mechanical engineer.
It teaches them teamwork, it teaches them technical skills. We're also having a lot of fun. It's absolutely clear that these students are passionate about what they're doing here today.